Imagine a team of scientists that needs to visit every island on this map.
First by landing on an island with a helicopter, and then to other islands using a ferry. But here's the catch. The ferries can only travel in certain directions. And after every research trip, the scientists must return to the island where their helicopter is waiting. What is the minimum number of research trips needed to visit every island?
Hello, I'm Mariah, and today we're going to solve this Bebras challenge called Island Research Expeditions.
A group of scientists need to study a chain of islands. They have a helicopter, so they can land on any island they want to start their trip. But once they land on an island, they travel using ferries between the islands.
Here's the tricky part. Unlike the Gozo channel, the ferries don't always go both ways. Some ferries can only travel in one direction, just like cars can only travel in one direction in one-way streets. And there's one more important rule. After every research trip, the team of scientists must return to the island where they first landed with their helicopter.
So the team wants to visit every island. They can land their helicopter on any island, travel on as many ferries as they want, but they must end up back at their helicopter so as to travel to a different island which they have not yet visited. Then they can travel again with the helicopter to another island to start a new research trip somewhere else.
Your challenge is this. What is the minimum number of research trips needed to visit every island? The first time I saw a puzzle like this, I tried to solve it in my head and I got completely confused. Writing down the solution step by step really helped, so I suggest you do the same. Take a moment to study the map and think about it, and then come back for part 2 of the video to see if you managed to solve it.